One night, Olivia heard something strange coming from her magic closet.
Where are we?
London, almost 200 years ago, where a brilliant girl imagined computers before they even existed. Her name was Ada Lovelace.
What is that machine?
It was called the analytical engine, a machine so advanced, most people could barely imagine it. Ada believed machines could someday do much more than calculations.
Like what?
She imagined they could create music, piano notes appear, art, paintings appear, and maybe even help people think in new ways.
She imagined computers before computers existed.
Exactly. Ada saw possibilities hidden inside machines, long before the world was ready.
But what did Ada actually create?
Ada discovered that machines could follow instructions, step by step, just like computers do today.
Like when we tell a computer what to do?
Exactly. Ada wrote one of the world's very first computer programs, long before modern computers even existed.
It's like she could see the future.
In many ways, she did.
Late at night by candlelight, Ada dreamed beyond her time. Gears were turning in her mind, future worlds she hoped to find. Numbers floating through the air, magic glowing everywhere. Inside machines she saw a way to help the world someday. Quiet stars and golden light, dreams awakening in the night. Ada Lovelace, brave and bright, imagining the future's light. Machines and music, art and dreams, nothing was impossible it seemed. Ada Lovelace, now we know how your brilliant ideas grow. You wrote instructions step by step for machines to follow next. Long before computers came, Ada helped inspire their way. She believed that one machine could do much more than people dreamed, like telling computers what to do. Olivia whispered softly too, and Ada's glowing visions bright still help guide the world tonight. Through the gears and glowing skies, wonder shining in her eyes. Ada Lovelace, brave and bright, imagining the future's light. You wrote programs long ago, before the world was ready to know. Every computer here today still works in a similar way. Long before the world could see, Ada imagined technology.
Ada Lovelace showed Olivia that every great invention begins with imagination, because before the future can exist, someone first has to dream it.
I hope you loved this adventure as much as I did. If you want to keep exploring the magic closet, just watch one of these videos. Wow, look at this! There is so much to learn in here. Come on, let's go!